I've lived here for nearly 2 years. I first visited 4 years ago. Before I came, I'd seen a lot of the videos. There's some wonderful promotional videos the city have made. When I arrived, I was surprised, pleasantly surprised, by how green, how open the city is. It's a modern city with modern facilities, but it hasn't sacrificed the parks, the old culture, the old buildings, and so there's a real blend of historic and of new, of green and of modern, and I think there's this blend that makes it a really exciting place to live.
Geordie, you're dead. Quick, arms up. Arms up. Good.
We have a very strong British culture, which I think sits very well alongside the Chinese culture, the sense of tradition, heritage, but wanting to be modern and vibrant. We want to be providing the highest possible education, the highest quality education for the children here. Within art, we will pull in some of the traditional Lingnan arts culture, the paper cutting, paper folding, and just to try to get a sense of mixing new ideas.
Does anyone recognise what this is depicting in this paper cutting?
So labour day.
So that then when the students move forward, that they will create a fusion, and that will help bring new things and bring a new way of thinking. And I first came to China 25 years ago. I've noticed a huge growth in confidence, and I think that's the biggest thing, that whereas before China looked to international business for the answers and the solutions, what China is now trying to do is partner with international business and develop talent locally, and also to positively influence business around the world. I think if you only see China as being Beijing or Shanghai, then I think you've misunderstood China altogether, because it is a vast country with lots of different cultures within a culture, and I think the Foshan culture is quite unique. I think it is quite special, and it's something I really like. In the context of China and of Guangdong, Foshan. And I think I've learnt a lot. I've learnt a lot of good things. I've learnt a lot more about the really positive parts of education in China, things I didn't know before. I think international education helps to connect the world, because it will affect how the city thinks about its place in the world. Foshan should hold its head up high. It should be feeling that it is as good, if not better, than these better known cities outside of China. And I hope part of what we do is we put Foshan back on the map, that people outside of China know that this is a great city.